What's up, what's happening? It's your boy Tree. Welcome back to the Treehouse. I appreciate you clicking on this video today. Today we're going to be doing a simple chest workout, and I got a couple people here to help me out, so if you guys are ready for that, let's go. First thing we got to do though is warm up a little bit. Walk on the treadmill for about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to stretch out my shoulder and stuff because my shoulder has been bothering me a little bit, so that's the first thing. You need these things, you need these shoulders. First thing we are doing is bench, and I got my boy Troy, my boy Shawn, work with. What's up, big dog?
What up, dog?
What happened?
Okay.
All right, this is my boy Troy.
What up, dog?
We're gonna hit some. We're warming up still right now, but then we're gonna go up to 315 and do like 3 sets of probably, I don't know, maybe 5, 4. As many as we can get. That's the plan. That's the plan.
That's the plan. Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck.
The next exercise we are doing is the incline dumbbell chest press. Same thing goes here. We're going to do 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Get a lot of blood flowing going. We got some learning going over here. Learn them. Learn them.
Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip this, tell them run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip this, tell them run it all.
Alright guys, the next exercise we're doing, they're doing a little bit of triceps. I'm gonna throw some triceps, I'm also gonna do the pec deck. I think that's what it's called. Flies.
Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they're getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip.
The last 2 exercises that I'm going to do are this Arsenal strength machine and this machine for the chest. I don't know what they're called. They're the hammer strength machines and the Arsenal strength, or Arsenal whatever. They're 2 machines for your chest. One does upper chest, the other one does lower chest. I'm gonna hit it all, and then we are gonna do some cardio. I'm gonna do these back to back, so it'll be a superset. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys have enjoyed so far, hit that thumbs up button. Share this with your friends. Give them a good chest pump going. So it is time to hit the cardio. I'm gonna run for 10 minutes, but I'm gonna throw the workout I just did on the screen right here, and you guys can follow along if you want. You can do it if you want. It just it's a pretty good, nice little chest pump I got. Now it's time to work on the heart. You should always do some cardio, some sort of cardio. Walk on the treadmill, walk on the elliptical, walk on the stair climb or anything like that. So I'll see you guys in a minute. We can recap the workout. Just to recap what we did barbell bench press, we did incline dumbbell bench press, we did chest flies with the pec deck machine. I don't know what exactly what that's called. And then we did 2 machines. They're both are hammer strength. Well, one was a assault strength, the other was a hammer strength. But we got a good chest pump going. And then also we did cardio, because you got to get your cardio in, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Cardio is essential, because if you're trying to lose weight, then most likely you have not built up your heart strength. Kind of. Just do cardio. Just do cardio. But if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be bringing more simple workout videos. Comment, tell me what you guys think, tell me what you guys want to see. I always appreciate comments, and I respond to every single one of them. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Remember to hit that. Remember, consistency is the key to everything in life. So I want you guys all to have a great rest of the day, and peace.